Mwancho murigereria bw'ensoko TV mbuya muna soko sanga na intwe na boigo gochore mesa ya mayakuru ensoko chinsa isato hasobo tkoboiga bwikomina kyanda mutinyiga oikomina rimo mwako yoga bwechiri bubere 25 neto chiko kumanya asenjira yobuikirano ari aine kiwe kurase chinsemo au nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi
Nchenkoro kwa Kerubo Frida na balitoko bwatira na soko eneke una chibi channel yogiria gwikira sole asenjira ya bene nere director Zak Toldi Joshua Nyauma na boigo Brian Achaka inyoro mwancho mulielia yonsi na buko yabwate gwitira sensemo imitandao yekerero ensemeri ya Facebook na boigo YouTube gwitira Ensoko TV karansa oike helinde tokomanye asenjira yoboikirano kolende tiango trayanyora asenjira yobwenge.
We need also that money to be increased to 30,000.
Aboro kiaba junior secondary school kogo sereli omugiro onye serikali tegwikirania mageni yabo.
To pay a fine of Kenya shillings 1 million.
Abarwaneli bekirgo kyobo bunge bwa Kasepul gwa kwa ebaini ye milioni yemo.
Laki motigo mwago ya akwe ataragamba.
E campaign bosi bwo bocholyo bokeko bwata inse ekerenyo.
Mwancho murigeria karibu sana bano togo chaka senjira ya bene hasigati ya barai habago sira eserikali bakorogwa no muchifu ipo Mheshimiwa Silvana Zosoro umugachibwe kyama KUDA Jafet Nyakundi obungo North Mugirango Joash Nyamoko mwakilishi babasubati kaunti ya Nyamira Jerusha Mumanyi negati ya barai bande nigo bagendreire kubeka ekambi hasensemo ya gekondo sare ubunenjiremo yokomwa okoboko mu Rwanda bwe kyama KUDA sobacholyoboke asewodye kerenyo manyikaine na Francis Amenya.
Hoko na kurasi nsemecho ni goba enekiru na campaign bagwa katali sege gati yomoske William Ruto na boigo Dr. Fred Matiang'i asebasaba abamenye borogongoro otuguterale chinguma bunani goba kurwania esege abarwanirelia bikirgo kyoborai bwense nonya nabo ni goba enekia gochiusira amenya asoko enekia obubui asobocholi bulibosyo Morikito Steven Nyariki Embunde no robotiro
Muganda omunene bwamenyi ni gotogoka segeti ya St. Matthias Gekendo imeye wodi yekerenye bunge ya North Mugirango imeya Nyamira asumuyega hoikiranwa na barai bagosire serikali bakorawa no mochief whip Moske Silvana Zosoro mugachiyo UDA Moske Jafet Nyakundi umo women representative ya county ya Nyamira Moske Jerusha Mumanyi nabayigo mujumbe bororo Moske Joash Nyamoko kati ya barai bande asoko mwakire koko omurwaneli w'echama ya UDA Moske Francis Amenya bosyo wobochorio boke wiki ego chicha
Arambe amenya marakaba omomisyo laki motigo mwago ya akwe ataragamba mwanche borbo igongo ngwate simora amenya gichamo mungaira gaki Lagi momorera wagi momogaira wagi basabase wagi iroto ajera ne tuwezi pingwa kana tola amanya
Aigani gerombega ya mocherombe ya barai bari abakomosira Dr. Fred Matiang'i abo bakweranga esegieroro asobochorio boke ngati ya Dr. Fred Matiang'i no Moske William Samuel Ruto
Moisonde naigu abaterete bagodebanga esegie ere motua ere katia omo president edogoro ku William Ruto no mwana mindogoro ku Matiang'i abantu babindo diga maboli inumwe ure Ruto bekira masakara ekerenyo gaiga otiro ko aboli chikuro chia owo MCA omwana mindo Matiang'i ero wekire obaboli chikuro chia owo MCA inu iki moda ile komiti yebindo birensa owo tuleti moda ile komiti yebindo nene gorali lakini amerigeri amenyo uyo rigeri amenyo nanyari otukorwani Matiang'i munaro amanyerere iga nanyari ko murwani wo omondora anyari ko murwani labde inche ndagere tumnere mukuna hotaya bana ba mintoga gusinga tamakuru wa Seruto totike chipara chieto totike binde togo tamakuru wa Seruto emeti yenyene yechikura lidia yeshire gwakwa bari tuwata mogo chibanganya kuchia seruto na kitoko roka na bamento kiagara chigura abachi kuchisaba Rosia egento kiriobwata kere koroko
ekereke kioni go mubungo North Mogrango muskecho wa Shinyamoko asabira bamenyi chikura asoko musiro mu Rwanda UDF Francis Amenya nyore baganeti achigotwara chinguru chintindi ase serikali ya Rabisi
molieira na komo bwatsi bole mpoke de gayo moelio takia samba skani tunaomba na ite na inda nyole chinguru at least kiara ise korusugo Ilomano na nje mwenga kisku. Abantu baranye chimboli baranye chiombe. Babo oke balia babisa balibane. Balibabo nsabira mubikira lituko.
Ekereke kioni go batebirenga siasa ne chibesa na igo yegati yabarayi bakoma mochinga nigo bagotumeka chindege gokore campaign nigo moske Silvana Siosora tebirenga nigo bare hase serikali here abisi.
Abana igweta abantu bagotebanga babo sore bagocha baretre chibesa gochaga bakonya gutumba chibesa sichikura kwani chikura nebesa my friend numuntu onye tobwa tibesa itigara wasira bamendo wago na iwe tabana bawatenga babo sore bagocha ne chindege baonchoka chindege tate chiro seri mwanya bantu umwana takaranja na ikire ngobo ngori ndege ntige tata ntige wasira bamendo chindege chigotoke serikali Lilimu arenga serikali mwa atumire chindege. Ni nje serikali tikantumia ndege tikakuomana. Wasala bame doaje.
Steven Nyerike Mbonde Soko TV North Mogirango ya county ya Nyamira.
Toska busio mwanchomo rigereria he komiti heyo he korigereria chimbwa ye kyombe kirigete nretoba chori ne chimebe kya IBC nigo wano kia bakire hebain habarwandria bekirgo kyobo jumbe ensemo ya Kasipul oyore Boyd Were na boygo Philip Aroko hechilinge milione mokera oyomo kubwatekana ne chiburaburu hechio chene getigwe enseme yo echichire tabanto baberego siria amagimabo
Okwana kurasa magacha manene ye kiombe kia Anniversary Towers umunyakirogo bwe komiti ye chimbwa alutala mukwana asarurege kurege tindi asibabirabo boigo ase abagosereria onyeti bago chigwa kana ebainiyo inse ye chinsa emerongene netano netato nigo bago chikuimo kirigwe getambu kirege tindi keli chiko mulikito Linet Nyambane na mange
C. Mr. Philip Aroko, for the violation, is hereby condemned to pay a fine of Kenya shillings 1 million to the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission within 48 hours of these orders. D. That Mr. Boyd Were Ngondo is condemned similarly for the violation to pay a fine of Kenya shillings 1 million to the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission within 48 hours of these orders.
Ukwana kurwa ase amagacho amanene yekyombekyo ya Anniversary Towers nomunyakirogo bwe komiti yokoringoria chimbwa ase ekyombekya IEBC Altalala mkhwana ase atebire babirabo nigo bachiete mamincha yeri chikorio bochori ensemo ya Opondo.
The analysis of the facts and oral submissions by the respective parties and pursuant to the provisions of paragraph 7 of the code, the committee hereby orders as follows. A. That a stern and formal warning be and is hereby issued to Mr. Philip Aroko, the independent candidate for member of National Assembly election in Kasipul constituency, in the upcoming by-elections, to respect and obey IBC's harmonized campaign schedule as agreed upon by all candidates on 10th October 2025 without any deviation whatsoever. B, in no lesser terms, a stern warning be and is hereby issued and directed to Mr. Boyd Were Ngondo, being the ODM candidate in the same by-elections in Kasipul constituency, to respect and obey IEBC's harmonized campaign schedule as agreed upon by all candidates on the 10th of October 2025.
Altalala nigo aruro kogosereria gochia asebabirabo onye tiba gochia gwakana obwaini obu inse chinsa emerongene na isano na isato nigo bagochia koimokerigwa egetambo keregetindi keri chiko Boye Duere na Philip Aroko abo baikirana ensemeyo nigo babekire seyo morembe chingakie chiga chich campaign boigo obochori asebaruro kobore gochia saba bwatani babo boigo abantu bakase pool kwenekia omorembe.
I want to urge my supporters, I want to urge all candidates in the Kasipul by-elections, all residents of Kasipul, let's maintain peace. Let's embrace each other. It's only 1 week to the by-election, so let's campaign peacefully, let's maintain peace. At the end of the day, we'll only have one member of parliament, and at the end of the day, the people of Kasipul will choose their member of parliament.
Also communicate to my supporters and the entire team of my campaign, the Otete team, that their leader, I will represent them peacefully, like I've always been. That I will maintain it peaceful and adhere to the code of conduct that is already set here.
Chingakie checho Altalala nigo arurege kurerege tindigo chiase bari bonsi bakurwanirira ebirogo ao byage siasa imeyense kwenekia tibari kokosereria obogima bwa Kenya ase chibura buru.
That children must be safe wherever they are on those roads where the violence is being caused. That women, the sick, the elderly, the youth must freely stride into polling centers and cast their vote without fear that a machete will hack their head.
Goripoteria Ensoko TV kurugaiga ase omuchio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Oskabosio egati ya basai kurasense mo yekerenyo imeye bunge ya North Mugrange County ya Nyamira nigo besokiri na gusababa MCA be county yo gutamurusia omugavana wabisi asekiria bakweranga nigo babangire koroserwa Kibara na nigo ekero nyaribara rwe abisi nigo barairane magega.
Mugavana Nyaribo yore homo hiborwa kurwa sense mo bunge ya North Mugirango nigo ale orogena osio bumuswada bukurusiwa abisi oyoga ndratakone kiwa se bunge ye county
obo nene na ndetu egosire kabisa kardo bedenga bangwana MCA babigire motion yo gaseri gafane to Nyaribo tware ko boringa ga kia baska ba ko bege motion yo ko maseri barobwe to igwete nga kurwo mochakano bari meruchi para chiabo ndumbo no buna to siege tiga kuruga ige gwodie kerenyo mbono to siege tipiko le meruni ndubo mweri twaigure nga bamu baire motion ye baseri gafana tutara meru para etware ko basaba so gwanja kwabo ka kibara motiga none chi wiki ibere torare meruchi bare chichira era arafu anye motion ye ge weta kartu akoreru nabuna baroba akori chipara arafu mako maseri gosena kibona ndo
egento twarigereirie amangana ya yoko bekire gavana yaito emotion buna ya impeachment ebine bitina bya kisiasa ntorote buna esengenjo bego sire mono egavana yaita ale motwe gotebia abagusiba minto igoro yobo mobwo mogusi mono asichipa election yechi tobwate kerenyo ward Nyansiongo amona Nyamaiya bono go bakolete motion yeginga bamoturubanie so tati batantania abantu baito bekerenyo ward moise korigere ngepona asiaita balemiti banyoreti chiwe sababu gata bagotara mone chindege taringa ne chiabo bakurusie sababu gata
bono aba muraba atokira bakare gotobinyokia akimba gotonya okono gosarie yetari besana abantu abane no konyora bakachiango chiito chigoto tena to akachikuresto gwaka gochi tota kore ebiasere ebimbi konyarikana none second ya yamo abantu store maso ondo bwansi ore smatiang na to korere gasi na Nyaribo tigara to korere gasi muna bono buona aria ebarere mbesana chibartika chirara re muna chianda to kore muga chira korwa arabu amago to teja mangana ibakoreda omonda de korukurwo bwa MCA anda bakoba tabiuti moino kwani ndu na machara toko iruko janos ndo kala biasa yo bugata mangana ache to bidira ni mina according
inu mogo girina mangana ya bago koramo Nyaribo kwanja more baratika chisegie chitorare meruchi bara
Toska bose mancho morigeri robotiro kubwatekana nechisemi aborokia be ebirasi bya junior secondary ime ye county ya Kisii nigo bono baye mochire serikali ye county eyo naboigo ewizara echisemi asogotaba ekonda ya botambe nebanekero baikirandire miroberio yo kubwatoka chisemi gwetani umwaka oyomo nigo bono bagoserere gochia gukora umugiro ekero chisukuru kirachi kwiranirwa umwaka omuya wechiri bubere 25 noyomo umutinyo mutangani abwase bono batebire buna serikali nebwendrete eigwe ebirero byabo
Kagukwana na bararia litukoria rero asumu bagani yo mwime mu Kibosongo nigo Joseph Abinja oyoro mulikyo monene wikyombe gya kupet asingerire bunanigo barachi ko bagwatesia aborokiabo goika obwene bwabo boikiranigwe nabo igo kweneke buna junior secondary nchichiko eneki gwanga chabire ase enchira engia mulikito weekly forenge namange
Solidarity forever.
Naborokia bechi skuru cha junior secondary be county ya Kisii.
For the union makes us strong.
Ananakegema bali bagosomya mirimo yege science bali barase kyombe gya kupet babwatanire n'abandi bensi ya Kenya bali murunganira serikali yensi ya Kenya insi wizara y'ekisemi asogotaba marube a confirmation buna borokia bali kire na serikali a century ya permanent and pensionable.
We as the science interns, we were given a 1-year internship program which is coming to an end. So we are urging, as it's written down under clause 4, which subsedes clause 10, which says that interns may extend their contract. So we are demanding to go to the first clause, which is 4, the confirmation of the serving interns.
Anenake niga wa mamochirie omwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Migosio gamba asekelia kwane chase getaseni yake mo kyoborale buna serikali yabekire chibesa ase budget ekyo aborokia bwo barachikwakanwa na kubekwa ase nsemu ya permanent and pensionable amangana yoga na mamincha na yo mwaziri w'ekiganja John Mbadi oyote babuna serikali tebwa chibesa cyo kubalika aborokia bubene.
Whole graduate getting 17,000 when you have been employed as an intern you need to be remunerated very well. So for this case, as we are waiting for the government to bring on board another intern, the cohort of intern teachers, we need also that money to be increased to 30,000. At least a teacher will be able to meet 1 or 2 duties or engagements wants to do.
Kubasira aborokia bwo ba junior secondary na baraiba kupet bakora wano mulikyo manene w'ekyombekyo Joseph Abinja amano munyakiro go w'ekyombekyo labane uko abwo baje sabe serikali okegwekerero kya aborokia bwo aso
there is a lot of instability in terms of this movement from junior school to senior school. There will be a lot of chaos in this country. So we want to ask the government through the Ministry of Education, submit what you are requested from Treasury.
Wanafaa nao wapate kandarasi ya nini ya kuanza kwamba wako permanent and pensionable, ili na wao wakifanya kazi wajue wanafanya kazi kama walimu wengine. Kwa saa hii kandarasi ambao walipewa ya mwaka mmoja ni kudunisha hadhi ya mwalimu, kudunisha hadhi ya walimu wa sayansi na kuonyesha kwamba serikali haijatilia maanani kuhakikisha kwamba STEM na masomo ya sayansi yanatiliwa mkazo, kwa sababu nchi hii haiwezi endelea bila sayansi kupewa nafasi yake katika jamii.
Nigo aborokia bubate babuna barabote barigo chigwanchirana kolika omukatabo muyabo mwako yomo abo asaba goserele buna tibarigo chakwera nemiremo ekero chiskuru chire igoro mwako mujya.
We want to assure the government of Kenya that we as the science moguls, we have done what was required of us faithfully, but we are confirming that no confirmation, no renewal. Moguls power.
January, if there is no confirmation, no class, no STEM, Science Mogul power. Science Mogul power.
Joseph Abinja negata babuna skulu ya junior secondary nigo chibwenera tegwetenenera nego chiruisigwe asobrai bwachiria chia comprehensive.
I heard you say that you want to continue having our junior school teachers in the comprehensive schools. We want again to warn you that going forward, these are independent institutions. So we want to have this institution being independent, that is autonomous. Autonomy viva! Viva! Autonomy viva! Viva! In terms of administration, in terms of execution of duties, these teachers, we want to stand by themselves. So that is our stand as KUPPET Kisii and KUPPET Kenya.
Ginko reporteria Ensoko TV kuruase county ya Kisii, editoriane Wycliffe Orenge.
For the union makes us strong. KUPPET power!
Wanchomurigaria tutegaritase chisemi muwaziri we chisemi ga Kenya Julius Ogamba nigo ritukoria rero ainekia humurobirio bokoigorwa amatemwa manene a KCSE ayo agendrete imeyense ase chiabisicho mu sub county obose DCC ase ebunge ya Ruiru e county ya Kiambu.
Okwana nabaliki bamang'ana nigo muwasili Ogamba hakwanira igoro y'umurobirio gendete ase okolika omubaro wabarokigwa ase chiskuru ase aereire buna nigo ere bunenchere yemo yogochikorobilia amagendera ase chiskuru echo.
As you are aware, we've been undertaking a verification exercise of all our numbers, all our enrollments in our schools. And the purpose of that exercise is to determine the situations in all our schools, including which are the schools that have large numbers of students, so that we can plan increased infrastructure in order to ensure that they are comfortable in the working environment, that the environment that is provided is particularly suitable for the students. So this exercise will enable us make decisions based on data and evidence in order to ensure that there is fairness in distribution of the resources, including the teachers, infrastructure, laboratories, libraries, to ensure that all our learners access the kind of infrastructure required for them to be able to achieve their dreams. So we are doing something in that sector, and that process is not only going to happen in Ruiru, it's going to happen across the country, that will then make informed decisions based on the numbers that we find on the ground. And that exercise is complete, and we are now doing the final tallying, and we'll be able to be releasing that.
Kubatikana ni mirubirio yogochakigwa gw'igiciro yekerero ya kigogi na serikali enene asubwaga chiobo batakere gochaka bwangoiga mebunge ya kitutu cha Cheno abamenyabo nigo barule birengere byabo igoro yobwaga chiobo
bakoragwa ntumbonyakero gobwechire yo Eric Mwaro nigo bono baborire abasaye bayiwe amabaga yo gukora kigasi cy'amaboko ekerobwaga chiobo burache gochakigwa
mu chumbo ito Javet amone president koba suggested kire yagachwe erekane koba ikagera abantu barabange specieta iyo asego abageni barure Nairobi bakire go pime kire ecyake kwagachwe kire yakerego cyaka kwagachwa tutayeti siase buchororo akitwera ne iri mu chumbo ito ngambi ya mono ne president yaito William Samoei Ruto ngambi ya mono ikagera gato eta 50 million twagachere chire asego kigo inero yabete proposed na marani yakaye ku 50 million wono bachire next week echire cyake kwagachwa kulingana ne size yobole moto bwate ko igaga sito twasabire musimigo itonga chire tegenda ndons wetani agese yakwanire tu nande ngosaba abageni bali baru Nairobi nga abana baita abange babwati gasi aiga baye guchigasi cyoko boko gaiga bantu mbarusi gwisiko kibundi cyoka kirega ige kisaine nyora nabanchini boka bararusiko kocha koligererie chire yangakie kwagacho
igaigo maitena no tokorwe mechie menge no erange gaiga no togo chabuna nchembwate chingeni tingo ngago travel ne chingeni kindinete pikipiki gosengo chiai igaiga nchendo chenge chiro yake gogi gaigere beta nande nengi ya mono nande ga banta bange mbago kerete na enga munaga tauni kegogi nchendo chenga mbuya tikatobeke ruwe chiro katigaiga obole mokiborake squeeze maite to advance chichiro chiakinire rero togwacha buna stairs chikora bagotira tele lazima tobere underground yoka wana batoko extend yabe kuchigoro njana ko prefanga chiro yake gogia berega iga
korona kanyometwe nona kinereta nonkoni amabere nonkoni chingeni emboga nonkoni omoterone gaiga akinche ngotebange chiro ye kene kia mangana tabange bako ora bacha bake bacha nge korubosongo no abange ngoteba iganga mware gwancha gose omugambio itobuna chetaga akege kamagaya oyore oyo tebete chiro yagachwe chibesa chiaruru kakina roche naronga chire na begwenerete ko baga na inde iga no center ngoteba nga abaise konyerusi ga riro line chigwa gutura beke togenda paka asomo neno rio itorogoro totera nga wa mintu ntuti atokwereke gogiye ito tigebe chikoro banonya inya isano kusudi echiro ya itagenderere na ende kegogi ya itagenderere
Tukoska bose mwancho murigeria abasaye hamo nabangina hase ime yebyombe 50 nigo ritko ryarero benyoreire amaigerio abene igoro yogochego gochaka osekwegwa chibesa abachigo chaka kwegendereria ase amagimabo akwenekia ase obonchoreria eyo kwegendereria ase amatukari bosio
no muroberio boigo banyara gosemigwa iguru yo kwerikia konyara masakara bene iliko bakonya konyara chibesa kurwa ase serikali enene una ekiombe abo baikirana elio kurwa amaigiria yo ngamo nabo bisa kurwa social service na boigo kurwa sensemeri ya human enterprise bakoragwa nere Walter Ongaki oyore neganga yo kuligikiro kyo MCA ase wodi yerigoma
igotore ligoma social hall tubwate byombe saidi ya 50 esengencho yoko basomia na kubaigeria inki babwenerete gutwara elinde kibese kinyinge cye serikali inche buno murai na beri kingwete binyoro byane igo nanyora nge challenge abantu baito babwate nene batari konyora kibese kinyinge kose batari koye kukibesa nesengencho batabwati certificates of registration igo aseri tukoria rero litangane kabisa narangiriti byombe biri bibwate ki certificate bali bayirete ki certificate ekinde kya expire batara renew na bali bande batabwate at all elinde tobasomi ninde nabo bisaga ku social services na women enterprise fund elinde babasomi naki bagokora ase gentu kiri bagokora egekebune ekikundi nakia baranyare gokora banyore kibesi kirikia eserikali chikwana nwetera obisi ya WEF namba 2 ebyombe byite binge igokonyoranga nabo babwate kibese lakini mbabwati bank account igaseri tukuria rero naro na invite Equity Bank abo bisaba no bara totebi ebyombe byito obuya bwo gotwale bank account nabaiko no ene serikali ikuru kibese gwetere bank injengo liginde kirugo kya MCA nekerongo ligikuru kya MCA inarora ali ase bitabu byito kibese kinyinge kikoirana especially kirija donors esengenje byombe bito mbibwate certificates igekerongo na gokonye byombe ebi nesengenjo nimanyete nga 2027 ngontuma balenje ko bakorere gasi tintageti 2027 inganze ko ba excuse ngangi batanya orerete kibese kya donation ama donors konta itetuke betu entirely properly kibese kiriri bagakikoirana kikonya abantu baito ebinyoro byito
Toska bose mwancho murigeria ritko riarero nigo muraibwense hamo ni wizara yobochano kubwatarana nekiombe kyobochano meyense kya World Health Organization nigo yabwatoka Kigali cyokomenyo kya abaruire gucyase kinyagitari au
Chinga kiecho boigo nigo muraibwense abole wizara yobochano ko babango asoko nikebuna abangi na bebwateranite ngonyara bale obokoreri bwabwango muwaziri wobochano Eden Duale nigo anikebuna wizara yae nigo yerwetekegima kubwaterana nekiombe kyobochano imeyense World Health Organization kwanikebuna ngwikirania bale obokonyi gochia ase abananchi mulikito Deborah Kerubo na mange
Omurai bwense William Ruto gakobwaterana nekiombe kyobochano imeyense WHO nigabwatoka Kigali cyokwemukia baroire guchia sechinyagitari ao ekyo kigo kya kwenekia bokorire buyago kya abananchi anene mono abangina bebwateranitie.
Kenya's commitment to universal health coverage rests on a simple but powerful truth. Every life matters. Today, we reaffirm that commitment by strengthening the partnership that protect our people and protect our region. Kenya and WHO have stood together. Because of this collaboration, fewer lives are lost, recoveries are faster, and confidence across the continent continues to grow. The advanced life support ambulances will be handed over to all our 7 national referral facilities and the National Emergency Response Center of the Ministry of Health. In addition, the counties of Elgeyo Marakwet, Marsabit, Siaya, Samburu, and Tana River will benefit from similar vehicles that will support reproductive and maternal health services.
ukwana chinga kicho nigorutate babuna ondetayo gwenete gusirio bagima bwaye chinga kicho koibora usimwana onde bwensi gusirio bagima bwaye kera koiborwa Ruto nigobona nyeborire wizara yobochenu kobaba ngomono asoko eneke buna abangina bebwateranitie nkonyora barobokoreri bwa bwango.
No woman should die while giving birth, and no baby should be lost to preventable causes. The Minister of Health is under firm and strict instructions to deliver rapid, measurable reductions through real-time reporting of every case, timely clinical audits, and immediate corrective action at facilities and at county levels.
Omwaziri bwabachano Aden Duale nigatebe wizara ya nigojeru tekekima kubwaterana ne kyombeki kyobachano imeyense ya WHO koenekia ngwikirane bale obokonyi gutia saba na inchi.
And what you have launched is a testimony of our partnership and our collaboration and our very strong membership as a country to WHO.
Deborah Kirbo, Ensoko TV.
Mwancho murigereria kura sorboti rwaye Deborah Kirwoni gotoikira moyo ilio ugukumurikira amangana maya asebire bigeliane Kerubo Frida.
Nje nkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi tokubakira bonsi mbuyamono bari banyara koba bakubwatiria hemesa iga yamaya kura Ensoko chinsa isato naboigo abwatani baito basandi baito babotambe tikatoka kwani inde tokurembe ombachi gotoita nchitiga kwani read
a password ya daddy. Akara by the way ere International Men's Day atogo chengira nere Wilberforce uyu nere tato mwaboli dedire tali komwewa Samuel Nyamari na abasacha bonsi epi bali mogotengere gitaseni Ensoko litukeriga nelino tokobachingira igo mutwaro butukoboruya
chenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi twaro butukobuya abago takwanya kurase studio akabere itkoria rero ndobati muswati ororo na basacha boka bago tebanga ntobaeba sawa director zaki Kenya Joshua Nyauma na bogo Brian Chaka itukoni ino na bogo mbuyamo na sega asingia tomera nanda sembeo esae kawanja